Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Grow a Garden. To begin, launch Roblox and search for Grow a Garden in the Games section. Once loaded, you'll receive a small plot of land and a few basic tools. Your first task is to select a seed from your inventory, typically a carrot or potato, and plant it in the designated soil squares. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire gardening adventure, so choose wisely and get ready to cultivate. After planting, your crops will need consistent care to flourish. Use your watering can to hydrate each plant, which usually takes just a few seconds per square. Keep an eye on their growth stages. They'll visibly change from sprouts to mature plants over several minutes. Once fully grown, simply click on them to harvest your produce. Each harvested item will automatically be sold, earning you valuable in-game currency to reinvest in your burgeoning farm. As your earnings grow, you can expand your gardening empire. Visit the in-game shop to purchase better tools, like a faster watering can or a larger seed bag, which can significantly boost your efficiency. You'll also want to unlock additional garden plots, allowing you to plant more crops simultaneously and increase your overall yield. Strategically arranging your plots and choosing high-value plants are key to maximizing your profits and becoming a master gardener. To truly excel, consider advanced strategies such as specializing in high-demand crops or optimizing your planting schedule for continuous harvests. Some players find success by focusing on rare seeds, which offer greater rewards but require more patience. Don't forget to explore the social aspects. You can visit friends' gardens for inspiration or even trade resources. Mastering these techniques will help you cultivate a thriving, profitable garden and enjoy the game to its fullest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.